guys, James and Sarah, and today we are coming on to review these electric scissors that we have here. And so my hubby's going to take it over and show you how these work.
All right, so Gartol sent this handheld electric scissor device. Again, something that you may not even know you need until you get one. But what's neat about it is that they do advertise that the fact that they're American made. So of course we received the package. It comes with the device itself. It does come with a USB-C port in the back that does have a rechargeable battery. So USB-C to USB standard when it comes to recharging. Of course, we've got plugs that this thing plugs into if you have just a standard USB outlet. You can just plug it into it, or one of those little charging boxes. It'll work great. Should be no problem there. They do advertise a 2-hour, I believe is what they said, run time on this thing. And so the Gartol, claims to be able to cut through cardboard, leather material. So let's give a little bit of a demonstration. So we've got a couple types of cardboard here. We've got just a thin tissue box. There's a safety button that you must press in order to activate. So that was pretty quick. So let's do that again. It happened so quick you may have missed it. So you press the button, and yeah, and just like that, it's cut. All right, let's do a little bit thicker cardboard here. Yeah, again, this thing's really fast. So again, if you're maybe in a craft, again, if your kids have the responsibility to break down boxes at your house, and you don't want them running with scissors, you want something that maybe is a little more, less prone to cut. If you walk up here, again, this blade is covered except for the small opening. And I mean, you have to have really tiny fingers to get something in there to actually, that doesn't belong there. So again, I know there are questions about maybe thick cardboard, so we'll double it up right now. So again, now I'm cutting a double cardboard here. So it cuts it. It takes a little bit to get going, but once it grips, as you saw it, yeah. So again, if you maybe create things with cardboard, maybe for kids programs, I'm thinking VBSs, stuff like that, schools, and you're creating decorations and stuff, and you're having to cut through cardboard to make your things. This thing's gonna save a lot of time.
All right, a couple of questions. Is it easy to handle?
Absolutely. You saw how quick it was.
Does it come with extra blades?
So the kit that we had did not.
All right, and let's see. You already showed. It says, does it have a safety lock?
Yeah, there's not necessarily a safety lock, but a safety button. Oh. So again, if you just pick it up and squeeze it, it doesn't work. You have to press the safety button and then the trigger, as it were, the little handle.
And then it said, what materials can you cut? And you already went over that. So those were the questions.
Right. I mean, we went through some plastic on here, tape, double thick cardboard, thin cardboard. Yeah, this thing's pretty quick. So grab yourself one today.